Hi guys, Nick from Vertical Doors here with the beautiful green Dodge Challenger that came all the way from Washington for a visit. It obviously has the doors on it, so I'm going to show you how to use them today. First, you just get in the car and sit down. Reach up and pull down from the door pocket, and then just pull the door straight in to shut it. Getting out is just as easy. Just pull the handle, push the door out till it stops, and then lift up from the bottom.
Like, share, subscribe, and tag. Hundreds of models available. For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated.